Hi, my name's Sebastian. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Human NIBP Nano system in LabChart Lightning. The Human NIBP Nano system enables true beat-by-beat blood pressure recordings from humans. This system is a collaboration between ADInstruments and FMS, the most trusted name in non-invasive blood pressure recordings in humans for decades. The system combines FMS' latest finger cuffs and wrist unit with our LabChart software via an ADI-designed interface unit. In LabChart Lightning, the setup and recording experience is easier than ever, with powerful features for managing and analyzing data from multiple subjects. From LabChart Lightning version 1.9 or later, you can add the Human NIBP Nano device to your recordings using the Devices drop-down menu here. You'll see all the channels from the device are automatically added to the recording. You can overlay multiple signals into a single channel to suit your needs. When you start your recording, you'll see the device auto-calibrates for a few moments before a true beat-by-beat blood pressure signal appears in the first channel. Beat-by-beat systolic, diastolic, and mean arterial pressures are calculated in this channel. The system can also correct for the height differences between the hand, where the blood pressure is measured, and the heart level for experiments that need it. You'll see height-corrected and raw data in separate signals. Changing settings on your device, such as enabling the dual cuff mode for longer duration recordings, is simple and easy. The full suite of LabChart Lightning's advanced recording and analysis features are available with this system. You can find out more about the Human NIBP Nano system and LabChart Lightning by contacting your local ADI representative.